Since sa Sunday po ngayon, ito po ang gusto kong awitin para sa ating lahat. Sana po ay magustuhan ninyo dahil ito ay napakagandang awitin. So beautiful song guys, entitled I Am a Child of God. Dahil po tayo ay we are all children of God. Pakinggan niyo po. So meaningful, so beautiful lyrics this song. And this me has given me an earthly home with parents kind and dear. Let me guide me, walk beside me, help me find a way, teach me all that I must do to live with Him someday. I am a child of God, and so my needs are great. It grows too late. Let me guide me, walk beside me, help me find a way, teach me all that I must do to live with Him someday. Teach me all that I must do to live with Him someday. Ang ganda po ano? Lahat tayo ay nagmula sa ating Ama sa langit. Ang mundong ito ay pansamantalang tirahan lang natin habang tayo ay nabubuhay mortally. Pag tayo namatay, it's either nababalik tayo sa lugar ng ating Ama sa langit or sa lugar ng kaaway ng ating Ama sa langit, ng Panginoong Hesus. Alam po natin yan. Kaya obedience and faith are highly required by the law of God. Faith without work is nothing, the Bible says.